Hey gang, it's been about a year since I posted my first YouTube video on the Classy Coasters, and in honor of that anniversary, I wanted to show you the best footage you never saw. So this next video is a series of clips from other videos that didn't make the final cut. Most of them are humorous, some of them are just sad, but I hope you enjoy, and happy anniversary to me, I guess. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing to this channel automatically boosts your cocktail party status. Do I look sophisticated? Whoever hung that curtain rod up must have forgotten a shoe on installation day. It's a little bit crooked. Now who would have done that? And stop pinching my buns.
Shocky walkie shocky.
Blah, 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 blah.
We're gonna pinch some buns.
Itchy.
That was me.
Ah. What's wrong with this picture? Two legs angled in, one leg angled in, and one leg angled off in another direction. I'll deal with that in the morning. You have anything else you want to say? What?
Buns.
Okay, I think we're done.